Hi darling parents, here is Naren from Wow Parenting once again with yet another video on a small but beautiful insightful tip on how can you help your children to score well. This video is about how do you motivate your child to get clarity on a subject and not just study for the sake of marks. You know, all research on performance in life shows that when we have clarity on a topic, we don't have to struggle to recollect at times when we need knowledge. When we have mugged up something or learnt by rote, 2 days after the exam, we might forget what we have written. So even if we have got marks because we memorized it, in life when we have to apply it, it does not help us because we cannot remember. Hence, as parents, our responsibility towards our children is get clarity on a subject. Don't study to score, study to learn and get clarity. When you do that, your child will get knowledge which he can implement for the rest of his life, and therefore he will do brilliantly well in his professional life. Wish you all the best and love you so much.